Hey guys, it's Bobby here, and welcome to How to Grow Your YouTube Channel in 2020, the Tips and Tricks series, where you learn how to get more views, more subscribers, and more money, right? Make more money. So, how many of you guys remember what yesterday's tip was? Right? Tip number 24, okay? Solve your audience's pain points or problems, right? You find what they need help with, and you make videos to resolve that issue, right? You gotta always ask, what is the purpose of my video? What am I solving? What problems am I solving with this video, right? And let's face it, it's not all about what you think your videos are, right? It's all about what the audience thinks, okay? So you have to solve their problems, and then they will keep watching, right? All right. Okay, tip number 25, tutorials, okay? So the best way to make amazing tutorials is to find out what is your audience's pain point, what is their problems, right? And then you make your own tutorials of how to do certain things. Like, check out my tutorial of how to order a Walmart item without a receipt. Why? Because they're drop shipping, meaning they don't want to let the customer know that it's from Walmart, right? So no receipt, no Walmart. So you can check that up there, the suggested card there, right? And you say, oh, I don't know anything about Walmart and gift receipts. That's fine. That's what I was doing while I was actually in the business of that, right? But now, you know, what are you the expert in? What knowledge do you have? The best way to use the existing knowledge and use that to solve your audience's problems, their pain points. And you can check out that video, like I said, up above, where I showed them how to process a Walmart order. I mean, the quality was terrible, right? And like, that was probably one of my first few videos, but hey, it still gets views until this day. You can go check it out. It's a little crazy. Well guys, if you don't know what to do tutorials on, just comment down below. Maybe I can help you out with that. Also, I am in the midst of completing this playlist. So the playlist will be down below. In the description, you'll see a link to the playlist. If you do like this kind of content, give me a thumbs up. Stay tuned to the next tip, number 26, that is gonna go live tomorrow, 11 a.m. Eastern time, and it's going to talk about camera gear. And like I said, guys, please click the face of myself there, right? And subscribe. Peace out, guys.